Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a Hayter 56 which has come in for a rear roller rebuild. There are some differences between doing a 48 and a 56, but basically it's exactly the same. And what I'll do is I'll put a link below with the video which I did changing the 48. But what is the main differences when it comes down to changing the 56? I'll show you what the differences are. For obvious reasons, the roller is going to be wider because the machine's wider. This is a 48 and this is a 56 that I took off of here. And you can see there's about an inch difference. Yeah, 25mm. What's the other differences? It's the end caps. And I'll show you what's up with them. Now, on the end cap for a 48, they only have one cam drive which fits in here. On the 56, they have two. So obviously there's a deeper groove in there, and for the parts number, it even says double pin. So, like the 48, you need two rear rollers, two end caps, two end bearings, two phosphor bronze bushes that go in the centre. The only difference is you need 4 of these and 4 of these, which is the cam drive and the key drives. This is the shaft that goes through, and you can see where you need the 2 pins that end and the 2 pins that end, which go in, whereas on a 48 it'll be just one hole. Remember to clear them out as usual, for the same for the 48. Okay, you're asking about maybe inquiring, how do I get these pins and shafts in, the cams in, if the hole is deeper? Now, the other side, it's dead easy. You tap these in place, you then push the shaft through, and then put the pins in through the holes, the square pegs, and you push it this way and it's assembled. The other end is you push it through, you grab your square pin and you line up the hole with the square there. So it should just slide in like that. And again, you basically line it up, put the pin in, and they're the 2 drive parts attached. Now, when it comes down to these, you line them up, push them in, maybe give them a little tap, and when they get to a certain point, use a punch on these parts to help push them in. Maybe on the edge there. Just then you get the other one. Don't worry about lining the marks up because they're all the same. As long as it's marked around right and left correctly, that'll go in. So there you are folks, just a quick video, just saying to you what you need and what the differences are. It's not much, and it's a simple, easy job. So if you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you liked it even better, please hit the subscribe. It's much appreciated, and it's totally free. So until next video folks, take care and see you then. Bye.